see your plans. I want to see your plans. I don't care. You can tape me all you want. Good. Show me your plans, because otherwise I will call the police as well.
Call them.
You do have to show plans.
I don't have to show you shit.
You do have to show me plans. Of course you do. Of course you do.
Because I'm mowing?
Because you're not mowing.
I'm not?
You're clearing, okay? You're dropping things.
See me cutting any big trees?
I do. I do.
Wait till he mows this whole section and you can see everything.
You're a real winner.
You are.
You
Back
are.
on your own property.
I will not. I want to have a conversation with you.
I don't
want you to call the property owner.
I don't even live here.
Okay, well then I will go find out who does live here, because as far as I'm concerned, you are, until you can prove that you are where you're supposed to be,
I can do whatever I want on his property.
By the way of a marker, because you are my property, I know I have rights.
Okay, I'll be down
for how much
there.
you can clear.
I'll mow.
I know I have rights.
I'm going to clear all the way to the wall.
I know I have rights.
Yeah.
Okay?
Well,
and I want you to show me.
I don't have to show you nothing.
Yes, you do. You have to mark this, pal. Pal, you have to mark
You're
this.
a beauty. Are you from the city?
You are a beauty.
Are you from the city?
Are you from the city?
No, I grew up here.
Excellent. Good for you. Good for you.
Yeah.
I want you to show me where you have
I don't have to show you nothing.
Yes, you do.
I know the wall is the property line.
How? You got to show that. Oh, good. Awesome. Is this the police?
How am I infringing upon anything?
Because you're clearing everything.
I don't need a permit for that.
Who cleared all that?
Yeah.
To your stone wall.
Did you hear me? I live here. You don't. There is no house.
He's gonna live here.
Okay.
There's gonna be a house here, a big one.
Ooh, I'm so scared. Why are you trying to threaten me? Why are you trying to threaten me?
There's no threatening.
Yes, you are.
There's
yes,
no
you
threatening.
Okay? You don't scare me. Okay. I have a right to know what's happening on my dead
Cutting
property.
trees.
Okay, how far are you going?
Right to the stone wall.
Right to the stone wall?
Yeah.
Yep.
So we can, see everything.
Yep.
Karma will get you, big guy.
Oh, no.
Don't you worry.
Who came
I know.
over here?
You threatening me?
What?
Who came?
No, I'm not threatening
Get
you.
off my
I'm
property,
simply making
please.
a statement.
Beat it.
Yeah.
Beat it. Beat it. Beat it.
Yeah.
We'll bug somebody else.
I'm not bugging anybody.
Wait till they build the
I'm
houses
not
down
bugging
below
anybody.
you.
That's okay, because I have 16 acres too. I'll put my big houses right up next to your big houses, and
I don't
we'll all
care. I
have.
don't live here.
We'll have a barbecue.
I'm just
That's
gonna
my
cut all
point,
these trees.
Hal. That's my point. You don't live here, so that's why you don't care. I do live here, and I've been working my ass off.
Bye.